In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of access denied in WordPress. As you can see here, I just made a change and I'm trying to update my website, but it is telling me access denied. What this problem means is that your server has denied you access to a certain page on the website or maybe a certain file. So there are several causes to this problem. One of it is a corrupt .ht access file on your website. That is the number one cause of this problem. Another cause may also be incorrect configuration of security plugins. So you see, security plugins prevent certain like bots from certain users or bots from accessing your website. So if it is incorrectly configured, it may be seeing you trying to access the website as a bot or some malicious activity trying to happen on your website. Okay, so it will prevent you from accessing. Then the third reason why it may happen is your website hosting company sometimes may make certain changes to the server, and that may affect you. So I'm just going to show you how to basically solve this problem. So first of all, go to your cPanel. From your cPanel, come to the file manager. Click on the file manager. It brings you to the file manager. So when you come to file manager, check HT access, this particular file. If you don't see it, come to your settings and click on show hidden files. If it still doesn't show, then come to this particular part. If it doesn't show, you'll see public HTML. Come and click on it, it will show. If it still does not show, you will see the public HTML among one of these. Double click on it and it will show. Okay, so you're supposed to see this HT access file. Then you right click on it and go to rename. Okay, so we are going to rename it. So you make it off. So off means that we are going to rename it. So when we rename it and the system does not see .ht access only, if it doesn't see that, it will consider that there is no HT access file. So just do that, rename it. After you rename it, come to your website and try to execute what you're trying to do. If you come and click on publish or update or try to access whatever you are doing, after you made a change to the .ht access file, if you are able to access the page, then you have to go back to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to your settings and then go to permalinks. Then you come and click on save. If you save, it will automatically regenerate a new .ht access file for you. So that is if you, after changing the name, it worked by resolving your problem. If it doesn't resolve your problem, don't save, don't save the settings. Okay. You see now it has updated. The problem has just been solved. Now, if you come and you try that and it is not successful, this is my advice. Just go back to the file that you previously made a change to. Just go back to it and click on what? Rename. And then whatever name you gave to it earlier, just change it back to the original .ht access and then save it. That is, you rename it or that like back to the original name. Then you come and try again. Sometimes that one alone will just fix the problem. If you do that, it will help resolve the problem. Alternatively, it could be a conflict of plugins. So what you can also do is to go to your WordPress admin dashboard and disable all your plugins and then be activating them one by one. And you will figure out the one that is causing the problem so that you can uninstall and reinstall it or change a different plugin that is offering the same solution. If you follow all these, you will get a solution to your problem. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye.